Alexa, turn on noon shade.
Okay.
Hey guys, it's Bao JohnyTechReview and I hope you guys are all doing well. So it's been a while since I dropped a video. I've been busy moving around and this is my new workspace. Currently it's not done yet, but when it's done I'll give you guys a quick room tour of my new office space here. So what I've been doing for the past 6 months is kind of temporarily living in a rental house, and I just finished my new house and I'm moving here. So in this new space I have a lot of things that I want to do. For starter, I would like to have a do-it-yourself home automation system. So for Alexa I'm using the Echo speaker, the Echo Dot, and I have other things like the thermostat like Ecobee 4 that has Alexa built-in. For Siri I have some other device like light switch and everything, and in a way I'm trying to make them so that they can be used for both. Voice control with Alexa, and with Siri I'm basically just pressing a button on my iPad or on my iPhone in order to activate those devices. So this is the first of many videos to come. In this specific video I just want to quickly introduce you guys to my solar shade, which is a motorized shade that I decided to automate it. And in this video I will show you how that process worked out, and really quickly to show you guys. And if you guys want to see the full detailed review, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you can see that video later down the road. So in order to make this possible I use 3 different components. Number one is the motorized shade from Spring Blinds. Spring Blind is one of the companies online that I check out and I decided to go with them. Their price were reasonable and they worked with me pretty good in order to customize the solution that I need. I basically had most of my house with manual shade, and then for all my living room space I have all motorized. They were quite expensive, but for me it's definitely worth it and it's really fun to deal with. So the way it works is we have the remote control, which is an RF remote control to control the blind. So you can do this all the time. You can just bind all of them to one remote and then you can just control them independently or together all at the same time. And then I take it to the next level by adding what I call the RM3 Pro remote control commander. And what that is basically a little device. It's a smart device. It was around 40 bucks when I bought it online. You can get it on Amazon. I include all the links to the product below if you want to see that. So the device itself is a simple device that is able to learn RF and IR signal, and you can teach it the signal and then it can repeat it. The good thing is it's very powerful. It's power up a typical USB power, and then basically the way it works is I just have it near my speaker, which is also near the TV because it's IR. It can also control my TV. So basically for this setup what I did is I mimicked the remote control by teaching a few buttons on that remote control, and then the software is able to kind of make a little script where you can say press up for a few seconds, press stop. You can do various different commands like that. After all of that is done, I set it into a scene. So I have a scene to design to go up, go down, go midway, those kind of things, and I name them like morning shade, afternoon shade, evening shade. And those shades basically are just my scene, and then with that I am using an Alexa skill, which is that what that device has, and the Alexa skill connected all together. So when I basically use Alexa I can just say afternoon shade, good morning shade, and what that does is it will trigger the device there to trigger the blind to go up and down.
Alexa, turn on morning shade.
Okay.
This is really great because with Alexa you have what we call now routines, and routines are really cool because basically what that allows you to automate based on certain trigger. So for me the trigger was basically time of the day. In the morning I have the blind automatically go up before I wake up around 7 a.m. and then it will go to midway during the day when it's get really hot, and in the afternoon it goes down a little bit more, and then at night it goes all the way down. It does require a little bit of knowledge and tech to set this up, but there's plenty of video online to show you how to do that. For me the setup for the RM Pro Commander was a little bit tedious. It didn't work the first time. I did have to download the app, try it a few times. I finally got it to read and understand the code for my RF device. After that I was able to control it with no problem. So I hope this little short demo kind of give you an idea of how the device is set up. I really enjoy this device because this is probably one of my favorite things to do in the house, is just to be able to have light, natural light coming into my house and automate that based on the time of the day. So in this late summer and beginning fall here, where the sunset begin to happen a little bit earlier, I just had to make that adjustment to make sure that the shade go down a little bit later. so that I can get the most light out of it. But that was an easy adjustment within Alexa. So I hope this short little video really helped you guys kind of get you an idea of what's going on in my house. I will be making other videos involving a little bit more detail of this blind system. I will also have more future video where I'm talking about this home automation series, because it's something I'm passionate about and I would like to share with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this short little video. Thumb up if you like it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't to see future video, and I hope you guys have a good week. Thank you.